Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? Oh my God, Bitcoin is going sideways right now, right? We've seen Bitcoin pump and pretty much go sideways, but we're going to talk about what it might do, whether it breaks down or going to break higher in today's episode. We'll talk about what that means, what you're going to do about it should that happen, and how to best trade it and handle this crazy volatile market. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, my name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the 5x5 staying alive in Dubai. It is excellent to be here. I'm glad that all of you guys are here watching this show. I'm going to be having a lot of fun, like I always do, and we're going to be talking about what we can best do to handle this volatile market on the short term, because right now we're on the long term, we're moving up. On the short term, it's pretty volatile, fairly choppy, and we want to see what we can best do in order to maximize profits. Now, let's get on to that. And if you want to trade this, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com. Okay, so let's get on with that. You can see that Bitcoin has gone like on a sideways downward trend, but we're starting to turn up here, curve up on the 4-hour. So if we continue up and break above here, right, that would probably be a failed move. Failed move is a fast move in the opposite direction, in my opinion, most likely. Now, there's no guarantees for management, right? Do your own research and make your own opinions. But I really think that this thing, if it does come up here, it's going to be a fake out. Most likely, that's going to be, if we use the fibs, right? We're most likely, another option that could happen, and a higher, I would say, the higher probability is that we come and fake out. If you want to take a chance on the on a short here, the short-term short, that's 78.6 all the way up to, you know, where we where the last all-time high was from swing high, last swing high, not all-time high, sorry, swing high, which is 48,234. Once we get up there, and if we come back down, that's where you would that's where you take a sorry. If you're going to take the Hail Mary at open up the short at 47,878, you would hit stop loss at 48,234 and take that risk. Maybe you might want to, you know, wait for, once the stop loss is hit, wait to see how the market continues. Should it stay below the 49,000, you could probably look for any kind of rollover on the candlestick patterns on the shorter time frames to take a short. Should this Hail Mary short fail. Another option I think that Bitcoin might do, if it continues sideways, right now we have not broken higher, but if we break this trend line, we could end up dumping down really fast. This particular trend line right here that I have, if it breaks that trend line, you can see this coming45,200 the way back to where it's first broke out, which is somewhere around here, around the $45,200 level. Okay, so let's take a look at the Rockin Brainer's signaling. It's saying that this is a sell situation here. So far, the last signal was a sell, so might be doing this particular event here. Once we break across the line here, probably go further, a little bit further out, and then down she goes. So look out for that in that scenario. So yeah, you might want to look for some on the lower time frame, some emming patterns to happen, and take that trade instead, because you know what, we did overextend ourselves a little bit. So this kind of M kind of deal could end up being basically the M that takes us down, right? And so yeah. If you're interested in the Rockin Brainer, you can head over to payments.rockinbrainer.io and purchase your 1-year subscription with Rockin Brainer right there. Look out for Davitar. It's coming up very soon. We're going to be talking about how you can get your whitelisted and so forth in the coming weeks. So make sure that you are a part of it by coming over to Davitar.com and sending your email or joining the Telegram group. All right, Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is a little bit different, right? Right now, it's holding support it's holding a support that was previously a resistance, and that's finding interesting because then we're really geared to go higher, basically. So if Ethereum is geared to go higher, I have to say that, you know what, even though I don't see that on Bitcoin, it could end up breaking above the 49,000 and continuing higher and not bothering to retrace to give you guys an entry, because Ethereum saying no entry for you. On the charts here, you can see that it's rolling up, and steadily rolling up, and it's well above the 13 EMA. So things are very positive and very bullish on the Ethereum chart, both on volume, and it says it's got a leg room to go all the way up to approximately the $3,800, like $3,800 approximately, around there. Wow. So look out for Ethereum to lead the way and drag Bitcoin with it. Wow. Okay. There we have it. Let's get on to dominance, right? The dominance is getting crushed. That means like all your alts are pumping heavy. Your alt bags are pumping heavy. This is just amazing. Wow, look at this thing, right? 10x, right? Your money here. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, so you know what? If you're using the little old lady strategy, you are doing extremely well. You're going positive across the board. That's excellent. And yeah, if you want to learn the little old lady strategy, you can head over to davincicodes.net/videos to get free videos on the little old lady strategy. All right, once again, I am going to be at the 21 Million Savage. I'm going to be speaking there, so make sure you head out to Miami if you don't have any plans, and join me in Miami. I think I'm going to be speaking on the 6th, right? And I'm also going to be attending this event as well, so make sure that you got your tickets so that, yeah, I don't get any kickbacks from any of this. So yeah, if you're interested in this, that's up to you. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Or you just show up in Miami, because you know what? I'm going to probably have a meetup showing sometime in Miami. I'm going to be discussing that right after this video. I'm going to be working with my personal assistants to set up some sort of meetup in Miami area. It's going to be cool, and that's going to be free as well, so you won't have to pay. So that will be awesome. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all there, because yeah, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Because why? Well, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Cheers.